Top 5 Best Shopping Cart. Number 5. Max Sports 300-pound capacity push wagon. Rounding up the top 5 is the Max Sports 300-pound capacity push wagon, known for its simplicity and efficiency. This cart is designed for users who prioritize ease of use and uncomplicated functionality. With a 300-pound capacity, it strikes a balance between load capacity and maneuverability. The push wagon design makes it effortless to transport items, while the sturdy construction ensures durability. The Max Sports cart is an excellent choice for those who prefer a straightforward yet reliable option for their hauling needs. Coming in number 4. BEAU JARDIN Folding Wagon Cart 350 pound. The BEAU JARDIN Folding Wagon Cart secures the 4th spot, offering a combination of strength and portability. With a weight capacity of 350 pounds, this cart is designed to handle substantial loads, making it suitable for various outdoor activities. The folding feature enhances its storage convenience, and the durable fabric ensures its longevity. The BEAU JARDIN cart's ergonomic design and easy maneuverability make it a preferred choice for those in search of a reliable folding wagon. Coming in number 3. Sekey 220-liter Collapsible Foldable Wagon. The Sekey 220-liter Collapsible Foldable Wagon claims the 3rd position on the list, known for its balance of functionality and style. With a 220-liter capacity, this cart strikes a perfect balance between size and convenience. The collapsible design and easy setup make it a favorite among users seeking a hassle-free experience. The Sekey wagon's sturdy wheels and durable frame contribute to its overall reliability, making it suitable for transporting goods in different settings. Coming in number 2. Timber Ridge 400-liter Large Capacity Folding. Timber Ridge 400-liter Large Capacity Folding Cart secures the 2nd spot with its impressive storage capacity and robust build. This cart is designed to accommodate large loads, making it perfect for transporting heavy items with ease. The folding mechanism adds to its practicality, allowing users to store it conveniently when not in use. The Timber Ridge cart's sturdy construction ensures durability, making it a reliable choice for those in need of a high-capacity folding cart for various purposes. Coming in number 1. Clax Store Multi-Use Functional Collapsible Carts. The Clax Store Multi-Use Functional Collapsible Cart tops the list with its versatile design and practical features. This cart is engineered for multifunctional use, making it an ideal choice for various scenarios. Its collapsible design ensures easy storage and portability, making it convenient for users on the go. The durable construction of the Clax Store cart ensures longevity, while its user-friendly features make it a popular choice for both casual and heavy-duty usage.